Hello. Today we are in a dining shopping mall, and we're going to be looking at this UGREEN car adapter. I'm in the United States. Normally I'm in Australia, but I needed this for my driving. So let's open this up. This was not purchased at the mall. This was purchased on Amazon. So I'm contributing to the mall's demise by shopping online instead of here. Well, I did buy something. I bought a little noodle bear. So what do we get inside? Let's see here. Okay, we got our box, our USB, and cables and rocks. I think just a manual. That's it, just a manual. Okie dokie. So let's just take a look. So yeah, there it is. So this is the UGREEN Bluetooth receiver. We have a USB-C charging cable, so we just plug it in. We can charge it up. And then finally we have our AUX adapter. So I guess you could use a longer cable if you wanted. But the short one with the light, I'll pop it into the vehicle just like that. Pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna get myself a soft pretzel from this mall, and then when we're back in the car, we'll plug it in and take a quick look. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and you just pop it into your aux port, and then you pair it like any other pair of Bluetooth buds or whatever. You hold down this button to put it in the pairing mode. It does have a microphone, it's got volume controls of its own, and it's got a play and a hang up button if you want to do that, but I've also got this little holder here, so I don't have to worry about these, because I can just like access the touch controls on my phone. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I tested it, it works great, and it should do me good on my road trip. Alright, I'll see you next time, maybe in Australia, who knows where. Bye.